I grow plants for many reasons: to please my eye or to please my soul, to challenge the elements or to challenge my patience, for novelty or for nostalgia, but mostly for the joy in seeing them grow. David Hobson. Seedlings can't stay in their plug trays forever. Just like a toddler graduating from a crib to a big kid bed, seedlings need more space to stretch their roots. Transferring them to larger pots improves their overall health, helping them grow stronger and more resilient. Let's go over when and how to up-pot your seedlings. There are several signs that it's time to up-pot. Root-bound seedlings may have roots circling around the bottom of their container, a sign that the root is looking for more space to grow in. You could be experiencing slow or stunted growth. The plant really stops thriving despite any good care you provide. You may be seeing yellowing leaves, a sign of nutrient depletion in the soil. Or even frequent wilting. If your seedlings need water daily, they may be outgrowing their pot. Whatever the case, up-potting could be the solution. Size matters. You don't want to move a seedling into a pot that will need another transplant in just a few weeks. Instead, aim for a size upgrade that allows for longer growth. If starting from 1-inch seed plugs, move up to a 3 or 4-inch pot. Most importantly, make sure that the new pot has good drainage holes. Seedlings thrive with bottom watering, and without proper drainage, excess water can pool and cause root rot. Now that you have your pots and seedlings ready, it's time to prepare for transplanting. Moisten the seedlings. Bottom water them in a tray and allow the soil to fully absorb moisture. Moisten the new potting soil. If you started with a light seedling mix, now is the time to switch to a nutrient-rich potting soil. Watching something grow is good for morale. It helps us believe in life. Myron Kaufmann. A step-by-step guide to up-potting. First, gently remove the seedling. Loosen it from its original container. Handle the plant by the leaves, preferably the cotyledons if still attached. You don't want to hurt the stem and kill the plant right here. Second step, inspect the roots. If root-bound, gently tease them apart to encourage outward growth. Third step, plant in the new pot. Position the seedling at the same depth or slightly deeper. Fill with fresh soil. Lightly pat down to remove air pockets, but don't compact it too tightly. And finally, label your seedlings. This will help you avoid confusion later. Trust me. Keep them out of direct sunlight for the first day or two. Maintain consistent watering. Keep it moist, but not too soggy. Wait a few days before fertilizing to encourage root establishment. And watch out for transplant shock. A little wilting is normal, but this should improve with proper care. Some common mistakes to avoid, like up-potting too early or too late. The best time is when the plant has at least 1 to 2 sets of true leaves, but before it becomes root-bound in its container. And try not to damage the roots. Feeder roots, the side roots, can take some disturbance, but tap roots, the main vertical roots, should be handled with extra care, extra delicately. Up-potting ensures that seedlings have the space they need to grow before transplanting into the garden. Doing it correctly leads to stronger, healthier plants, which will mean better yields. Let's grow!